I want to invite you all to come and join me for this autumn knit along. It's going to be the Hawthorn sweater this year. Now, this sweater is slightly different from my usual construction, just slightly, but I think you're going to enjoy knitting it, and more importantly, you're actually going to enjoy wearing it, because this is all about comfort and texture and wearability, really, I suppose is the best way of putting it. So the texture in this, we've got the sand stitch over most of it. Across the base of it and the cowl and the cuff, we have a mistake rib. The nice thing about these is one of them, the mistake rib flows straight on into the sand stitch, because they're kind of like variations on the same stitch basically. So we start from the bottom up with this fun split hem starting down here. And then once you reach this point, you join it up together. You got some mistake rib continuing up here that goes right up to the shoulders. And once you've finished working the body and the round up to here, you separate out and then you just work the front and the back separately. But this is the most interesting little detail, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. So I'm really happy to be able to fit it into a sweater. The back of it, down here, you've got decreases worked along here where you have that mistake rib flowing up, and then the front of it works straight up, which means that the top of the shoulder is actually over here, but it folds from the front to the back. So it's just a little detail that I've been just admiring on sweaters a lot, and I really want to include it in one. And I think that it fits very nicely in with all the textured stitch here. And finally, we finish off with the cowl neck. This one, it just comes straight up and has like a nice drape to it in the mistake rib. If cowl necks are not your thing, there is a second option of just a shorter little mistake rib crew neck that just sits in along here. That will also be really beautiful. I'm just definitely a cowl neck fan. So the sweater is, this one is knit in Nua Worsted in the colour Dare You, and we're going to have kits up with lots of different Nua Worsted colours as well. So come on in and join us for our autumn knit along.